Before you make the decision to buy Rently, the real estate property management software, there are 12 things you need to know. While Rently offers a range of useful features, it's important to understand both its strengths and limitations, especially when compared to other property management solutions. First thing, Rently is designed to streamline the rental process. It focuses heavily on self-showings, allowing tenants to view properties on their own without the need for an agent. This can save landlords time, but it also means tenants don't always get personalized guidance. Compared to competitors like Tenant Cloud or AppFolio, this feature may be a game changer for some, but others may miss the face-to-face interaction. The second thing you should know is that Rently integrates well with several third-party services. Whether you're managing payments, maintenance requests, or tenant communications, it syncs seamlessly with other tools. However, not all integrations are as smooth as advertised, and some users report minor glitches. So if you rely heavily on third-party tools, it's worth doing a trial run. Next, Rently is known for its user-friendly interface. The dashboard is simple to navigate, making it easy for landlords to access the information they need. Compared to more complex platforms like Buildium, Rently's simplicity is a plus for those who want something quick and intuitive. But for users needing more advanced features and customization, this simplicity might feel limiting. The fourth thing is its mobile app. Rently's app allows tenants to schedule showings, sign leases, and submit maintenance requests. But some users have found the app a bit buggy at times. If you're expecting flawless mobile functionality, this might be something to consider before fully committing. Next up, the pricing structure. Rently operates on a subscription-based model, which can be more affordable than others like AppFolio or Buildium, but the basic plans might lack some features you'd expect for the price. If you need advanced reporting or accounting features, you might have to upgrade to a higher tier plan. Another key point is Rently's focus on the leasing process. Their software shines when it comes to leasing features like digital applications, e-signatures, and automated reminders. However, if you're looking for more extensive management features like complex accounting tools or in-depth financial reporting, you might find Rently falls short when compared to competitors like Rentec Direct. The next thing is Rently's customer support. While they offer 24/7 support, some users have expressed frustration with the response times and quality of assistance. If quick support is a priority for you, make sure to test the response time during your trial. Moving on, Rently's security features. It's equipped with industry-standard security measures like encrypted transactions and data protection, which are crucial when dealing with sensitive tenant information. But again, this is something most property management platforms will offer, so there's nothing particularly unique about Rently in this area. The ninth thing is how Rently handles maintenance management. Tenants can request maintenance through the platform, and landlords can assign tasks. While this is a basic but useful feature, it's not as comprehensive as some competitors, like Rentec Direct, that offer more sophisticated tracking tools and a detailed work order system. Next, Rently provides a built-in tenant screening process. This includes credit and background checks, which can save landlords time and effort. However, the reports you get might not be as thorough as those offered by other screening services, which could be a deal breaker if you need more comprehensive reports. The 11th thing is Rently's advertising capabilities. The platform allows you to list properties on multiple listing sites, which can save you a lot of time compared to manually posting listings. However, some users have complained about limited customization options for ads, especially when compared to other platforms like Propertyware or AppFolio. Lastly, Rently provides a flexible solution for both individual landlords and larger property managers. While it's ideal for smaller property managers due to its simplicity, larger companies may find it lacking in scalability. So if you're managing hundreds of units, a more feature-rich platform might suit your needs better. Rently is a solid option for self-showings and basic property management tasks. But if you want something more robust with advanced features like deep reporting, extensive integrations, and enhanced scalability, you might want to explore our recommended solution. The good news? You can try it for free, so make sure to check it out before making your final decision.